Now we're going to fill in our petals with the radial satin stitch. I like to start at the outer edge of the petal and work my way in towards the center. So we'll start out with a stitch right here. And then we'll have another one that comes up along the outer edge right there. Now instead of going all the way back down to that end point, we're going to make it a little shorter and tuck our needle underneath that thread we just stitched there. And again, go up to the outer edge and make a shorter one, just tucking our needle underneath that stitch we just made. Now our next stitch will go in a little further, covering up those stitch ends we just made, like so. Then we'll do another one. Let's go out to the outer edge. And then this one can go all the way into the center and cover up those thread ends. Back out to the outer edge. And again, tuck it underneath those stitches we just made. Outer edge again. Tuck it under. Outer edge. And back down to the center there, covering up those thread ends. And let's keep filling in this petal here. This is a great way to use the satin stitch to fill in more like conical or angular shaped patterns like these flower petals here, where I want all the stitches to come out from the center point to the outer edge, but without having all that bulk right there at the bottom. I think we can fit in one more stitch down by that point there. There we go. There's our radial satin stitch.